Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I have recently posted a vlog where I talked about my most used jewelry items, and I thought it would be a good idea to talk about my least used. And I hope that you will like this video and will find it interesting, and I think some items might surprise you. By the way guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you like my content, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. And please consider checking out my other playlists. I posted quite a few videos about Cartier, Cleef and Arpels, Bulgari, Rolex, luxury tips and mistakes, Dior, jewelry, weekly vlogs, style and fashion, Chanel bags, luxury shopping vlogs, beauty products, and travel videos. The first item that I have here is this Cartier Love necklace, and I have recently talked about it in one of my vlogs. This is my first Cartier item that I purchased in Dubai. I was so obsessed with it for the longest time, and it took me a while to pull the trigger. And back then I was only wearing white gold. I used to wear it practically every day. It looked amazing with most of my outfits. And I have to say, I still love the design. It's gorgeous. However, lately I have been using items with gold buttons or bags with gold hardware, so I have been reaching for my yellow gold jewelry. I still wear this necklace, especially whenever I wear my bags with silver hardware, or some of my sweaters have silver embellishment. It's so pretty, and I'm still happy I have it in my collection. I just wish I would use it more. The next item on the list might totally surprise you, because I'm still shocked that I'm not wearing it as much. It's one of the most beautiful items that I have. This Cleef and Arpels Guilloche 10 motif necklace. This is one of the latest items in my collection. Actually, when I just got it, I worn it a lot, and I also got so many compliments. This necklace is such an attention grabber. It's just so pretty. However, nowadays I mostly reach for my onyx necklace or my white mother of pearl jewelry. I still can't believe that this necklace is one of my least used, because I only purchased it a year ago and I unboxed it. I was so happy when I got it, and I absolutely love the design. It's so pretty. When I just look at it, it just takes my breath away. Just look the way it sparkles. It's incredible. I'll show you how it looks in a brighter light. Just look at it. Shining brighter than the diamonds. I feel like Guilloche gold is one of the most beautiful in the whole of Cleef and Arpels collection. I have previously reviewed Guilloche gold. I talked about its pros and cons, and I'll link down that video in the description box below in case you guys want to check it out. I definitely need to remember to keep wearing it because it's stunning. I'm so in love with it. I want to make sure that cost per wear stays low, but this necklace is so pretty. I just can't believe I had to add it to this video because it's stunning. And the next up is the watch. This one is from Amiga. It's a lot more dainty looking. I will show you how it looks. I think I got this one 14 years ago in 2008. It was my first designer watch. I used to wear it every single day up until 2016, if I'm not mistaken. And that's when I got my Rolex Datejust 31 two-tone watch. I will show them side by side to you. You can see it's a lot smaller, but I prefer Rolex The bigger size definitely suits me more, but it's nice to have a choice. This watch is quite light actually. I can hardly feel it on my hand. The only thing that I don't like about it is that it's not automatic. It has batteries and I have to change them every year or every couple of years, which is a pain, and it's best to change it at Amiga. And one time we didn't go there, we went to a cheaper place and they spoiled something in my watch and I ended up spending half of the price of the watch to fix it. So yeah, I don't like watches with batteries. That's probably the only reason that stops me from purchasing Cartier Panthère. I featured this one in a few of my vlogs and I will link them down for you guys in case you want to check them out. It's stunning, but the fact that it's not automatic is stopping me from pulling the trigger. I will think about this watch. It's raining so hard right now, like it's so dark. I hope my video is not going to be dark. Let's see. The next on the list are these earrings. They are in pink and white gold. My mom got me this. Back in the day, I used to wear a lot of pink gold jewelry. I just had everything in pink gold, but then I shifted to white gold and now I'm focused on yellow gold. I wore this in some of my videos, especially my Chanel shopping vlogs. I used to be so obsessed with hoops, but I couldn't wear costume jewelry because I'm allergic to anything that is not real gold. It actually wasn't easy to find a perfect pair that won't be sagging my earlobes because usually in this size they're quite heavy and the light ones are usually too small. It's very hard to find a perfect size and perfect design. I just have to remind myself to wear the items that I already have. Okay, the next one, I have this set. These earrings. I'll try it on as well, and I also have a matching ring that I also worn in some of my videos before. I believe I got this one in 2015 if I'm not mistaken. That's actually when I started falling in love with jewelry. Before that, I didn't even care about it. My parents always gifted me different jewelry, but I never really cared. Up until that moment, I think they were the first that broke the seal for me. I used to love this set and I worn it non-stop again until I switched to yellow gold. Luckily, I managed to shoot them before it started raining. The weather has been insane. One minute it is sunny, another one you get thunderstorm. I really like the design, it's so cute and I'm obsessed with all the flowers. I guess you can tell, and I actually have a few non-designer pieces in flower shape. I just love this kind of designs. Even though they look quite big, they're not that heavy. I can actually wear them the whole day. I love making a set. If I have a pair of earrings, I definitely need to have a matching ring. I think these ones are actually quite timeless and I should just wear them more often. The ring is very comfortable as well and I usually wear it on this finger. Anyways guys, this is it. Thank you for watching and I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it, and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!